Hey everyone, finally able to find some product at my local Walmart. You know, it's crazy trying to find any product in any store nowadays. You got to do it all online. Before we get into it, I've been watching some YouTube videos about starting your own business in trading cards or selling cards online, you know, through eBay or TCG Player. So I'm definitely going to try to get into that. I'm going to make a little series on this channel, you know, see how it goes. Hopefully we get, you know, I can at least pay for this little hobby I've got going on. It's pretty expensive, but got some more product coming in the mail. You know, hopefully we can open that up on the channel. And yeah, so today I found this lunch tin from my local Walmart. It comes with 6 packs, 3 foils. So yeah, let's just get into it. Bring in the trusty scissors here. Don't want to ruin it. Kind of like this lunchbox stuff. I think I've got one from my childhood somewhere. Gonna have to look for it. Whoops, that was a little loud. Sorry about that, guys. Get this garbage out of here. Alright, see what we got. Open her up. Okay. Comes with a big old nice coin. Lucario on there. Yeah, real pretty. Set that to the side. And then we got our 3 promos. Got our 3 cards here. It's Kirlia. I'll actually put that in a little sleeve here. Yeah, real nice card. Routes. Oh, if I can get it out of there without wrecking it. Yeah, there we go. Another pretty card. I always love these cards these promos. They're always some of my favorites. Alright, get the last one out of there. This garbage out of here. Nice Riolu. Sleeve them up for you. Alright, now we get into the good stuff. Get into the packs. On the right side, we got Mega Evolution, Journey Together, Destined Rivals. On the left side, we got another Mega Evolution, another Journey Together, and another Destined Rivals. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, okay, we got some Lucario stickers. Just a bunch of stickers. Megalodios stickers. Gardevoir. Mawile. Alright. And at the bottom there, we got this little book. Probably never use it. Probably just keep it sealed, you know. Maybe give it to my little brother. He kind of likes this stuff. And that is it. Nothing left in there. Get this tin out of here. I'll definitely keep that. Hold on to that. Alright, let's separate these bad boys out. This is my first time opening any of these sets. I haven't opened anything since Vivid Voltage, so... Or maybe it was Darkness Ablaze. I don't know, it doesn't matter. So, I'm not sure which one to start with. Guess we'll start with some Journey Together. Not exactly sure what the card trick is anymore for these things, so... Guess we'll give... 1 to the front a try. Hopefully we don't ruin this. Basic Energy. Hops Wooloo. Beldum. Bagon. Wiggle. Spiky Energy. Excel Gore. Hops Corviknight, Pangoro, Ends Castle. Whoa, and a Hops Snorlax Hollow. Definitely gonna have to sleeve that up. I like to sleeve up all my hollows, you know, even if they're not worth much. It's just kind of nice to keep them pack fresh. Let's open those other journeys together. Alright, I guess we were right on the card trick though. Lucked out on that one. Should have probably Googled it, but it's not how we do things here. Alright, started off with a basic energy. Karrablast, Torchic, Lilligant, Alolan Graveler, Cloth, never seen that one before, Levincia, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that one. Ooh, we got a reverse Bagon, and then, oh wait, oh I guess that wasn't a reverse. Whoa, another hollow. I guess we'll sleeve this one up too. I mean, I gotta stick to my word after saying I sleeve all the hollows up. Don't want to be lying to you guys. Let's do some Mega Evolutions next. Get these packs out of here. Ugh. Just gonna go ahead and assume this one is also just one to the front. Start off with a basic Leaf Energy, Makuhita, Thievul, Yungoos, Tangela, Magmazone, Sorola's Mischief, Centiskorch, Fighting Gong, Reverse Miltank. Oh, Howl Clawitzer. Get into the Lucario artwork. Love that one. I would say Lucario is probably top 5 card for me for sure. Definitely one of the favorites. It's classic. You can't go wrong with it. We'll open up this way just so we don't spoil it. One to the front. Alright. Oh, spoiled it a little bit, but hope for the best. Basic Fighting Energy. Lopunny. Knucklestack. Magnemite. Vulpix. Ninjask. Marshadow. Chew. Reverse Boss's Orders. And oh wait. Wobatone. Ooh, Mega Venusaur EX. I have no idea if that's a good card or not. It looks really pretty though. More into the artwork than the price. Doesn't really matter to me about the price. Unless it's something crazy. Here we go. Real nice card. Get her sleeved up. Put it right there next to the packs. Hopefully give the packs some luck. They haven't been terrible. Definitely done a lot worse. I've definitely done a lot worse. Keep it up with the one card to the back, or to the front, sorry. It's been working so far, so I don't want to ruin that. Basic Dark Energy. Team Rocket's Porygon. Ethan's Sudowoodo. Team Rocket's Coughing. Electabuzz. Team Rocket's Houndoom. Energy Recycler. Metacham. Ponyta, Team Rocket's Articuno, and then Holo Blaziken. Alright, let's hope we get something good out of this last pack. Hoping for a Mewtwo, but I'll really take anything. Not too picky, not too picky. See if we can open it up here for you. Alright, we're just going to open the whole pack. Okay. One to the front. Basic Metal Energy. Team Rocket's Drowsy. Arven's Toadstool. Marnie's Impidimp. Blitzel. Misty's Psyduck. Team Rocket's Energy. Team Rocket's Porygon Z. Marnie's Scrafty. Kangaskhan. And Holo Zamazenta. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Holos. Can't complain about that. Can't complain about that. Alright, kind of a haul of what we got. These are all the holos. And of course, got the Mega Venusaur EX. So, nothing crazy. Can't win them all every time, but not terrible. Blaziken, that's a really nice card. I think it looks, I love the artwork nowadays. I think they're so pretty. That's all I've got for you guys today. If you made it this far in the video, could you please like and subscribe? It'll really help my channel out. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.